Imagine for a second that you were blind, like an underground mole that solely relies on other senses to continue living and surviving. How would life be? I know it would be extremely difficult to make the progress humanity has attained. An American TV series called See tries to portray how our civilization would be if all of us became blind. Today we are going to discuss 10 amazing facts about eyes. It is potentially the most important sense organ we have, then I am sure you are going to be amazed. This video will give you motivation to take care of your eyes and appreciate simple life gifts. Before we jump right in, show us some love by smashing the subscribe button and leaving a comment below saying I subscribed in order to always get useful information about health and also support from our channel. We will try our best to respond to every comment. Without further ado, let's jump right in. Fact number 1. Did you know that 80% of all learning occurs through the eyes? This simple fact means that nearly all the knowledge that we have gained as a species is gotten through sight. Therefore, high visual accuracy is imperative to more successful learning and overall human development. Studies done in this area have shown that there is a very close correlation between learning and vision. High visual accuracy and clarity have been linked to better reading skills in kids, high comprehension, being a good mathlete, and interpreting gestures of the speaker. Therefore, parents and caregivers should promote a diet that improves and sustains good vision. Fact number 2. Iris is a more accurate, verifiable, and stable means of biometric identification of people. Did you know that there are 256 unique markers in our iris, the colored part, as compared to the 40 found in our fingerprints? Research has settled on the iris since it doesn't change with age and it is more complex than fingerprint markers. Now you know why tech giants, banks, and governments are shifting very fast to collect correct data about the populace and identify people correctly. I would like to ask, do you prefer using your face to unlock your phone, or if a fingerprint is just okay? Please comment on which one you find safer. Fact number 3. All blue-eyed people have a common ancestor. This ancestor can be traced back to the Baltic Sea about 6,000 to 10,000 years ago. This trait has now spread to a significant number of people living in Europe, Asia, and diaspora populations. Prior to this ancestor, all humans had brown eyes. Does the blue eye offer better survival value to the people in the Baltic regions? Fact number 4. People with heterochromia make up only 1% of the population. Heterochromia is a rare condition in which one has two different colored eyes. It occurs when melanin is not distributed equally between the eyes. Remember that melanin pigment gives our skin its color. It is a genetic condition where one eye forms melanin, therefore becoming brown, and the other fails to form, therefore becoming blue. People with this condition often see normally. Fact number 5. The brain is the only organ more complex than the eye. It has a remarkable 2 million working parts. I imagine the level of precision and coordination. The optic nerve that carries sight impulses to the brain has over 1 million nerve cells in it. To get a better perspective, it means we have over 2 million nerve cells for 2 optic nerves. This means that right in front of our eyes we have the 8th wonder of the world. The 6th fact is, did you know that colorblind people dream in color? Colorblind people, for example, can dream in their preferred color spectrum. Therefore, for these brothers, they dream of Santa having a green hat, not a red one. 7th fact. There are forbidden colors that our eyes find hard to perceive. Red, green, blue, and yellow color perception offer a big challenge for our eyes, and many of us are not colorblind. These colors are called forbidden colors. These colors cancel each other's frequencies, so no color is perceived. When the retinal cells perceive something green, red retinal cells are deactivated and vice versa. The same thing happens with yellow and blue. Fact number 8, we see in 3 dimensions, famously called 3D, in order to have more depth of perception. Since both eyes are focusing on the same object at slightly different angles, it collects different information that is resolved by the brain by integrating the information collected by both eyes. This is what is called binocular vision. It is possible to see stars when you rub your eyes. Have you ever tried to stand up too fast, then you saw some blackout or stars as shown in cartoons? Then you are okay. Studies have given an answer to this phenomenon. This is due to stimulation of the optical nerve when you rub your eyelids. It can also occur when blood pressure drops too fast when standing up. Any stimulation of the retina is interpreted by the brain to be light. Therefore, the stars you saw may be real. The 10th fact is, a Chinese child called Nong Yusui can see in darkness. Back in 2012, Nong alleged that he could read and write in complete darkness. How is this one even possible? When he was examined further with a flashlight, his eyes glowed green. Do you know an animal that does that? Yes, a cat. The studies done on him indicates that he has a rare mutation not present within the human population that enables him to read and see better in complete darkness. Scientists call it feline eyes. Have you been amazed by the various facts about the eye? Please subscribe in order to get content on health and fitness. Also, click the notification bell in order to be notified whenever we publish new content. Until the next one, work to remain healthy and peace.